Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the 50 most asked SQL interview questions. Joining us is Navneet Kaur, a seasoned data analyst with years of experience. Hi Navneet.
Hi, Jeff. Thanks for having me. I'm excited to go through these questions and hopefully help some job seekers out there.
Great to have you. Let's jump right in. First question, what is SQL?
SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It's used to communicate with databases and perform tasks like retrieving, updating, inserting, and managing data.
Perfect. And why is SQL important?
SQL is crucial because almost all applications store data in databases, and SQL is the standard language used to work with that data efficiently.
Next, what is a database?
A database is an organized collection of data that allows easy access, management, and updating of information.
What is a table in SQL?
A table stores data in rows and columns, where each row represents a record and each column represents a field.
What is a primary key?
A primary key uniquely identifies each record in a table and does not allow duplicate or null values. For example, an employee ID can be a primary key.
How about foreign keys?
A foreign key is a column in one table that refers to the primary key of another table, helping maintain relationships between tables.
That makes sense. What are constraints in SQL?
Constraints are rules applied to columns, such as not null, unique, primary key, foreign key, and check to ensure data integrity.
What does null mean in SQL?
Null represents missing or unknown data. It's different from zero or an empty string.
What is the unique constraint?
Unique ensures that all values in a column are different, but unlike primary keys, it can allow one null value.
Now, what are joins in SQL?
Joins are used to combine rows from two or more tables based on a related column between them.
Can you explain inner join?
An inner join returns only the records that have matching values in both tables.
What about left join?
Left join returns all records from the left table and the matching records from the right table.
And right join?
Right join returns all records from the right table and matching records from the left table.
What is full outer join?
Full join returns all records when there is a match in either the left or right table.
What is the where clause used for?
Where filters records before grouping or aggregation happens.
What's the difference between where and having?
Where filters rows before grouping, while having filters groups after group by is applied.
What is group by?
Group by groups rows with similar values and is commonly used with aggregate functions.
Speaking of which, what are aggregate functions?
Aggregate functions perform calculations on multiple values and return a single value, like count, sum, AVG, min, and max.
What does order by do?
Order by sorts the result set in ascending or descending order.
What is distinct?
Distinct removes duplicate records from the result set.
What are indexes in SQL?
Indexes improve query performance by allowing faster data retrieval.
What is a clustered index?
A clustered index defines the physical order of data in a table, and a table can have only one clustered index.
And a non-clustered index?
A non-clustered index creates a separate structure that points to the data rows, and multiple non-clustered indexes are allowed.
Let's talk about normalization. What is it?
Normalization is the process of organizing data to reduce redundancy and improve data integrity.
What are normal forms?
Normal forms like 1NF, 2NF, and 3NF are rules used during normalization to structure tables properly.
What is denormalization?
Denormalization combines tables to improve read performance, especially in reporting systems.
What is a subquery?
A subquery is a query inside another query, often used when a condition depends on the result of another query.
What is a correlated subquery?
A correlated subquery depends on the outer query and runs once for each row processed.
What is a view in SQL?
A view is a virtual table created from a select query used for simplicity and security.
What is a stored procedure?
A stored procedure is a saved set of SQL statements that can be executed repeatedly, improving performance and reusability.
How are functions different from stored procedures?
Functions return a value and can be used inside queries, while stored procedures may or may not return values.
What is a trigger?
A trigger is a database object that automatically executes when an insert, update, or delete occurs.
What does delete do?
Delete removes specific rows from a table and can be rolled back.
And truncate?
Truncate removes all rows from a table very quickly, but usually cannot be rolled back.
What is the difference between delete and truncate?
Delete is row-based and logged, while truncate is faster and removes all data at once.
What does drop do?
Drop permanently removes the table structure along with its data.
What are ACID properties?
ACID stands for atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability, ensuring reliable database transactions.
What is a transaction?
A transaction is a sequence of SQL operations treated as a single unit of work.
What does commit do?
Commit saves all changes made during a transaction permanently.
And rollback?
Rollback undoes changes if an error occurs before committing.
What is union?
Union combines results of multiple select queries and removes duplicates.
Difference between union and union all?
Union removes duplicates, while union all includes all records.
What is case statement?
Case provides conditional logic inside SQL queries, similar to if-else.
What is like operator?
Like is used to search patterns in text using wildcards like percentage and underscore.
What is between?
Between filters values within a specified range.
What is exists?
Exists checks whether a subquery returns at least one record.
What are temporary tables?
Temporary tables store intermediate results for the duration of a session.
What are common SQL interview mistakes?
Common mistakes include improper joins, ignoring indexes, and misunderstanding group by logic.
Final question. Any last tips for SQL interviews?
Practice real-world queries, understand concepts clearly, and explain your logic confidently.
Those were some amazing insights, Navneet. Thank you so much for sharing your expertise today.
You're welcome, Jeff. I hope this helps everyone feel confident in their SQL interviews.
I'm sure it will. Thanks to everyone for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. See you next time.